What's the best Jamaican restaurant in the Los Angeles area? We ask you this question and more. Here are the results of the Best of Jamaica 2021 in the Los Angeles area.
All right, so here we are, Los Angeles. All right. So, in Los Angeles, what is the best local Jamaican patty shop / bakery? And that is Little Kingston Jamaican Restaurant. Congratulations to the winners there. What is the best place to buy Jamaican groceries? Right Choice Caribbean Market took that. Congratulations to you. What is the best local Jamaican restaurant in Los Angeles? And you guys said Nostraliards? Did I pronounce that correctly? Congratulations to our winners there. And then the Jamaican / Caribbean annual event you missed attending the most due to COVID-19 in Los Angeles was Hollywood Caribbean Carnival. Congratulations to all the winners there.